Rebuilding a broken nation, the turbulent era of Reconstruction. The war was over, but the real battle had just begun. In 1865, the United States stood victorious, but shattered. Cities in the South were destroyed, the economy had collapsed, and millions of formerly enslaved people were now free, but not truly equal. This was the beginning of Reconstruction, a time not of peace, but of uncertainty. The government faced an impossible question. How do you rebuild a nation that no longer agrees on what it is? At first, there was hope. Abraham Lincoln had a vision, a quick reunification. Bind up the nation's wounds, he said. But that vision died with him. After his assassination, the future became unclear. New leadership, new conflicts, and new struggles. The South resisted change. Former Confederate leaders wanted power back. They wanted the old system, without slavery, but with control. Meanwhile, Congress pushed for something different: radical Reconstruction, a plan to reshape the South completely. New laws were passed. The Reconstruction Acts divided the South into military districts. Federal troops enforced order. For the first time in history, Black men gained political rights. They voted. They held office. They helped rewrite the rules. It was a revolution. But not everyone accepted it. Violence began to rise. Secret groups like the Ku Klux Klan used fear to regain control. Intimidation, attacks, terror. The fight for equality became dangerous, and the nation grew tired. Reconstruction required resources, time, commitment, and slowly, support faded. By 1877, federal troops withdrew from the South. Reconstruction ended, but so did protection. Many of the gains made were reversed. Segregation began, discrimination returned. The promise of equality was delayed, but not destroyed. Because Reconstruction left something behind: a foundation, the idea that freedom must include rights, that equality must be defended, and that rebuilding a nation is harder than saving it. The war had ended, but the struggle for justice was just beginning.